Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the world settings in Palworld. World settings are, well, settings for a specific world. They can be changed independent of each other, depending on which world you change those settings for. Let's say I want to change this for, change the settings for the second save file right here. I click once on the save file on the world select, then I click on the change world settings. Here I could, for example, change the world to a multiplayer world and allow or disallow crossplay. I can manually quickly change the difficulty, ranging from casual to normal to hard to custom. As you can see, when I select hard, here are the main differences. But if you want to dive deeper, go to custom settings. Here, as you can see, you can change those between those presets, as you can see, but you also can change the select parameters of this world. You can change the daytime speed, nighttime speed, autosave interval, XP rate, or the amount of XP you get for every action, PAL capture rate, PAL appearance rate, damage from PALs, damage to PALs, PAL hunger, PAL stamina, PAL auto health regeneration rate, PAL sleep health regeneration rate, damage from player multiplier, damage to player multiplier, player hunger depletion rate, player stamina reduction rate, player auto health regeneration rate, player sleep hunger regeneration rate, work speed multiplier, damage to structure multiplier, structure deterioration rate, grazing item production rate multiplier, maximum numbers of dropped items in the world, of dropped active items in the world, which, as you can see, most of those are on the simple slider that ranges between two values. For daytime speed it's 0.1 up to 5, with the default being 1, but let's say capture rate goes as low as 0.5 up to 2.0. Right, and let's get back to it. We were at maximum number of dropped items in the world. As you can see here, it is quite different. We have presets 0, 10, 50, 100, 500 and no limit. There is the gatherable item multiplier, gatherable object health multiplier, gatherable object respawn interval, dropped items multiplier, weight, item weight rate, item decay rate multiplier, equipment durability loss multiplier, meteorite supply drop interval, time to incubate massive X, enable raid events, enable predator pals, death penalty, which you can change between no drops, drop all items, and all pals, drop all items except equipment, etc. Maximum number of guild members, maximum number of bases for each guild, maximum number of work pals at the base, maximum number of structures per base, and select settings. Random pal mode. This can only be changed when creating the world. The same goes for seed. Random mode will make wild pile level completely random. The same goes. It only is available on world creation. Enable fast travel. Restrict fast travel to bases only. Hardcore mode, permanent loss of progress upon player death, only on creation. Hardcore mode, pals who die will be permanently lost, also on world creation. And the last two settings are allow PAL genetic data to be saved to the global PAL box and allow PALs to be reconstructed from the global PAL box. Right, we went through every single one of those settings, and you can simply customize them to your liking. After you do so, simply go back and press OK, then confirm, and the changes will be saved. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.